The process of initializing through a copy constructor is known as, so here we are having options like your copy progress, copy registration, copy initialization, and initialization process. So we are having four options here. So the process of initializing through a copy constructor. So if you don't have the idea of copy constructor, we can discuss one sample code, then we shall give you the answer. So here is a sample code for us. Here we are having one class. The name of the class is point. It is having two member variables x and y. There is a parameterized constructor to initialize x and y. This is the copy constructor. You know that whenever it is a constructor, so that means this method name will be same as that of the class name. So now here we are passing one reference of one point class object. So this point ampersand p2 means this p2 is nothing but one object reference under the class point, and which will initialize x and y by its respective x and y values, which can be accessed, that is p2.x and p2.y. Now this is the display method which will display the current value of x and y. You can find that we have defined one object. The name of the object is p1, passing parameterized constructor, calling the parameterized constructor, passing the parameters 10 and 15, which will get assigned to x1 and y1. So that will get assigned to x and y. So x will be getting 10 and y will be getting 15. Now you see this particular p2 is a new object and it is getting initialized with the previously existing object p1. So now if you go for p1.displayXy and p2.displayXy, then you will be getting the respective contents of this p1.x and p1.y and p2.x and p2.y. You can find that we are getting the same content, that is the 10, 15 for x and y from p1 and 10 and 15 of the content of x and y from p2 object. So we are getting these values. So accordingly we can do this one. Okay, so now what should be the answer of our query? So we are coming back to this one. So here the answer will be copy initialization. So I shall be going for the option number C, because the process of initializing through a copy constructor is known as copy initialization. So answer will be option number C here.